Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this, your daily scam pump update on CKB or Nervos network. All right, wanted to do a full update here on the project and also talk about what's going on and just in general some important things I think you need to know. All right, yesterday this pumped up incredibly much, it was actually very early in the morning already, but we pumped up. From the bottom right here, we were already slightly bullish before that, but from the bottom until the top, we pumped up 63% in one day. Personally, I also took a trade on this when yesterday, when we hit this level right here, I also bought. Like usually, just in general, before we get to CKB and what's going on, usually if you see this, if a coin is pumping like this, and it makes a top, and the price gets back up to that top, it usually doesn't make a double top. So usually it goes higher. So that's where I bought, which if you want proof of that, because obviously a lot of people cannot be trusted, in my opinion. But here you can also see the proof if you want to know that. But we'll talk about CKB. Got a Bybit listing yesterday. And just in general, this is what some Korean traders do. All right, a lot of these new Bybit listings have some crazy pumps, and there's huge activity. Like right now, there's also almost $1 billion in volume. We got very close to it. Like the volume was around $950 million. That's crazy, right? But that is what happens. But the thing is that an Bybit listing like that, and when there's a lot of Korean trading activity, it can also rally up higher. Even though we have rallied 63% already, there is more potential. And Nervos network is also a serious project, all right? So for those of you who have held this for months and now finally get the pump, first of all, congratulations. But it is also, like here you can see the listing, market support. But it is also a solid project that's building every single day, right? So then the potential also increases. If this was a scam project, it would have been bad. So what you see right now, kind of as an important point, is that the funding rates are very, very low. So what that means is that you pay a certain percentage on your position value every funding round. So that's 3 times a day. So be careful with shorting this. I would not short this if I were you, because you'll pay too much. Now I do think, like if you look at the higher market structure here, we're at a crucial level right here at 1.5 and 1.45 cents. This is the level to break above if we really want to rally another, well, what is it? Another 30% up to the next target. There is a high probability that this is the top. And that, we might spike up a little bit higher, but that we will drop from here. But the thing is that even if you short from here, due to the funding fees, it's going to cost you quite a lot. And there is also a possibility with these coins that we will rally up higher. So yes, what I'm telling you is that we can go up or down, because that's the truth. With these coins that have so much Korean activity, there's just no point in really predicting what's going to happen. It's better to react, all right? So for example, if CKB is able to break above 1.5 here, I'll buy. Because at this point of time, that's the crucial area. That's the main resistance level. It's a psychological level. It's a strong technical level. I think it's most likely, if we're just technically looking at what's going on. Let me look up some order flow as well. If we're just technically looking at what's going on, which is not something you should do when a coin is behaving like this, I would say it's most likely will fall. There's some major bearish divergences at this top, right? So if you look at the price is making higher highs, while the open interest, the momentum, is going down, and the RSI is also starting to make lower highs. So I would say technically it's most likely that this is the top. Would I short this? No. I would actually be more in favor of buying this if we actually do get the breakout. And if we don't get the breakout, I'll probably just do nothing. So if you technically want to know what I think is most likely, I think it's most likely that we spike up a bit higher here, but that we will fall down from that area between 1.45 and 1.5, initially into 1.25. From there, we might spike up a little bit more again to grab some liquidity, but then down further. That's what I would say technically is most likely. But as a trader, I would say I'm not shorting this until the funding rates have dropped down towards zero at the very least. And I think it's more interesting to buy this if we get some sort of a big breakout. But those are my thoughts. All right, that's what I think you need to know about CKB for now. Hopefully it's valuable. If it wasn't, then leave a dislike, right? But those are my thoughts. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.